Good morning, beautiful Majestic Unicorns. Majestic Misty right here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be a Majestic Unicorn with me. Hit that bell so you know whenever a video comes up. It is the beginning of the week and I didn't sleep very good. Had a bit of a day yesterday. And I carry stuff over in my sleep so then I don't sleep so well. But I did wake up just fine. Went ahead and did my makeup. We're doing yellows and oranges today. I think because I decided to wear tie-dye. So the color palette was endless. And I have to say, I got this Mickey Mouse, Disney, Mickey and Friends Morphe palette. What are all of these amazing colors? So one day I'm going to number them all, and we're going to put the numbers into a bag. I'm going to pull out 3 numbers, and those are going to be the numbers that I got to work with to make a look that day. I think that sounds fun. I do have some content videos I need to make. I just have been lazy. And that's really it. Nothing I have today after work. I have to get my 2 scapula injections in my shoulders. I hate it and they hurt, but about 2 days later when I have my neck epidural going and the scapula epidurals going, I actually for like a few weeks will feel 0 pain. And for somebody who has chronic pain, 0 pain is heaven. So alright, I'm going to start getting dressed. I'm trying to get to work earlier than my norm. So we'll see how that goes. Just a matter if I can get up off my butt. Get up off your butt, Misty. Get up off your butt. You get up off your butt too and let's get this day going. It's an amazing day. Let's rock it. 1, 2, 3 things I ask, I think. Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I will check back with you in just a little bit. Have a great day. Welcome back to my channel. How about this? I have no idea if I vlogged this morning. No idea. It's been a decent day. Everyone is loving my sweatshirt. It says "Be Kind." You can find it when you search "Be Kind tie-dye." I will also link them in the description below because it is a sister team, a little girl and 2 little girls that started the company. They wanted to make a difference and wanted to bring color into the world, and they give 10% of their profit to different organizations, autism and things like that. And being that I'm a special needs, I'm in the profession of special needs. I bought a sweatshirt, a t-shirt, everything. They gave me free keychains. They gave me free lanyards. They gave candy. Like, legit people. And their stuff is so comfortable. It is a thick sweatshirt, warm sweatshirt, soft sweatshirt. I bought 2 shirts, washed them. They're beautiful. They say "Be Kind" on them. So I saw them on TikTok, had to buy it, and for a change, I do not have buyer's remorse. So I will leave them linked below. Definitely go check them out. And they do have Valentine's stuff right now, I do believe. Because I saw the TikTok and now I gotta go check out what I want for Valentine's Day. Today after work, I am running to the doctor to get my epidurals in both of my shoulders. But I had my neck epidural done in November, so it's January, so I'll have this done, and for a couple of months I'll be good, and then I'll need a steroid shot, and then we'll have to start the whole process over again with the neck epidural. A couple months later, this and that. I do have a new neurologist. When I was super sick in April and was in the hospital for the majority of April. She was the neurologist that saw me. So she remembered me because I was I went to a hospital that's a teaching hospital because that's where my oncologists are. And everybody knew who I was. Like, everybody came in. I was their teaching case because I had some very rare things going on. So she walked in and she was like, "Oh, I remember you." And I'm like, "Oh, I don't know you." So she told me who she was, and I was like, "Oh, hi." And she said that the day that she came and the couple of days she came and saw me, that I was rather out of it and not so friendly. And I said, "Oh, that sounds about right," because I was tired of being poked and pricked and prodded and not knowing what was wrong. But she gave me my Botox injections for my migraines. Those are working. I did have a migraine this weekend, but she prescribed me Restriptan, and even though it puts me to sleep, basically, it knocks the headache out of the park. So, and at the doctor today, I'm supposed to get some sort of device that's supposed to measure my pain levels so that we can better manage my pain. Being in chronic pain really is a nightmare. And anybody who is in chronic pain, I know you understand. It is not something that everybody can understand, because when you're in chronic pain, and how do you feel? I feel fine. But in the back of your head, you're like, my neck is killing me, and this is hurting, and that's hurting. But you don't want to keep telling people you hurt all the time. So you're fine. That's what you say, "I'm fine." So anyway, this was a little lunchtime rant. I'll check back in later. Y'all have a great afternoon. Love each and every one of you. Thumbs up, comment, and smash that subscribe button. And I will see y'all probably at Pillow Talk. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. All I have to say is, I have curly hair. Why do people insist you brush it? Like, legit.
I had the Knicks in 6 points. They lost by 1. Woohoo! I win. I won $150.
Yay, $150. Maybe I'll take it and use it to fix this hair of mine. But no, back to what I was saying. Welcome to Pillow Talk. We always have to finish up a Pillow Talk. But I really do want to know why people with straight hair who don't understand curls insist on brushing your hair. Now, I knew when I brushed it, it was going to be a big, long fur ball of a mess. I knew it. But apparently the word cotton ball frizz head wasn't accepted. So now, when it's freezing outside in the morning, I'm going to have to stick my head under some water, mousse it up, curl it up, and do all that. So this is the reason people with curly hair do not brush their hair. It's a mess. I hope everybody's had a great day. I am going to pretty much go to bed in just a few minutes. I do have a couple of packages I'm going to open up. We'll open up tomorrow or the next day for my content videos. And I'm excited. I got 2 packages. Yay! And that's really it. I'm gonna go pull this mess of a mop on my head out of my face, do a few things for work, and go to bed. So I hope you've had a great day. I love each and every one of you. Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all tomorrow.